Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time you come across my video, please do not forget to subscribe because of you're gonna learn more about how to trade in the market. Today I want us to cover a topic that has to do with hesitating or hesitation when you want to take a trade. What is it that you can do to avoid hesitating when you have to buy or sell? Number one, you must have a trading plan, guys. If you do not have a trading plan, there's nothing good that you're gonna do in the market because of you will be all over. You won't know where to buy, where to sell, when not to sell, you understand? But if you have a trading plan, it's going to be simple. You know when to buy specific. Again, you must always use your stop loss. Do not make that mistake of trading without using a stop loss. Now, and again, you must trade with a small lot size up until you notice that no, now you are very comfortable to take trades. Therefore, that's when you can adjust your lot size a little bit. Again, how can I put this one? Always follow your trading rules. Always follow your trading rules. Once you fail to do that, therefore, you will always keep on making mistakes. You'll find yourself buying where you don't have to buy. You'll find yourself selling where you don't have to sell. But if you know specific what is it you're trading in the market, what is it you want to do right now, it will be easy for you to take a good decision. Now, let's say for an example, you know very well that, okay, in the market, I'm using support and resistance only. Sharp. If you're using support and resistance only, you know very well that this is where you want to find yourself doing what? Buying as soon as the market returns. This is where you want to find yourself buying. Why are you buying here specific? It is because of you have a new support and it is fresh. It was never tested. Therefore, the higher the chance that the market's going to push all the way up. Let's say, for an example, you are trading potential continuation patterns only. You notice that, oh, flip, here I have a fresh potential continuation pattern. It was never tested. Therefore, I'm waiting for the market to come back and test it off, which is here, where the market tested the potential continuation pattern. The reason for the market to turn here is on our left-hand side. If you know, you know it. More especially those who are my students, they know why the market turned there. Therefore, let's say you are not trading a potential continuation pattern. You only focus on support and resistance. Where were you gonna find yourself buying? You're gonna find yourself buying here. Why here? You have a new and a fresh support. You know very well, I always advise you guys not to buy a support or a resistance that has more than 2 touches. You know that very well. Okay, sure. We noticed that on our right hand side, our the market came back. Remember, if you stick on your trading plan, the higher the chance you're gonna become profitable. How? You know when to buy, you know when to exit. For an example, if you are a student, you know very well that I'm on 1 hour time frame, hence you can see up there. You know that, okay, if I'm buying the potential continuation, I'm sorry, the support here. If I'm buying the support here, where am I gonna exit? I always say whenever the market is an uptrend like this, use the downtrend as your reference when it comes to placing your take profits. And then as the market is going up, you check what is it that you have that can change the direction of the market. You notice that here you have a broken support, supposed to become a resistance here. But then you don't have much experience. You don't know that the market will push up. You can place your take profit here. TP1, and then again, TP2, where here. You know very well that they're going to push the market down. Now, as they are pushing the market down, I'm covering those who are trading potential continuation pattern. As traders who are trading potential continuation pattern, what is it you guys are going to do here? You guys are going to step in here and do what and sell. But as much as you're going to step in and sell, again, you must know when to exit. You must know why you have to exit there. As you can see, or as you remember, when I say the market, when the market is going up, we rely on the downtrend. When the market is going down, we rely on the uptrend. Now you notice that, oh, flip, the market is going down. As it is going down, what is it that you have to look for? You have to look for whatever that you have that can cause the market to change the direction here. Hence, you can see the market was supposed to reach the support, but the market did not reach the support. If you know why the market did not reach the support here, let me know on the comment section. Now, guys, if it happens that you decide to start learning how actually, let me put it this way. If you decide that you want to become a trader, make things easier for you, go and look for lessons so that everything you do is going to be easy, because of you will come across difficulties everywhere you go. Imagine looking at this downtrend, you be like, oh, look at this huge candlestick. It's very much huge. As huge as it is, that means everyone is selling. Some of you enjoy to say, it's liquidity and stuff and stuff. What is it you're gonna do here? You will step in and sell. Isn't it that you don't have experience? You don't know what is it you are also selling here, but you feel like the market's gonna go down, and then you start selling here. You place your stop loss roughly about. You don't know what is it you have here. Imagine selling here, later on you realize that, oh, flip, the market is going down. The next thing you open your eyes, boom, the market is an uptrend now. How did that happen? You don't know. How is this thing gonna happen if you don't have experience? You'll also look at this uptrend. You'll be like, oh, flip, there's no candlestick that is opposing the actual direction of the market. Since well, there's no candlestick that is opposing the actual direction of the market, that means the market is an uptrend. Therefore, you will start adding orders that are going according to 1 hour. You don't know what is this, and you don't know the capabilities of this. You keep on buying, you place your stop loss below. The market will keep on going up, then you'll be like, oh, flip, I'm killing the market, good profit. Later on, you notice that the market is now going down. It hits your stop loss. After hitting your stop loss, you'll be like, flip, I was wrong. The market now is a downtrend. You start selling here. As soon as you start selling here, you place your stop loss above. Later on, you notice that, oh, the market's still going down. You don't know what is it you have on your left-hand side on this uptrend. What is it you're going to do now? You'll expect the market to break. The market will do something like this. You'll be like, oh, flip, the market is giving us a pullback. A pullback, it will continue as a downtrend, whereas the market is now an uptrend. You took a loss when the market was going up. You took a loss when the market was going down. Those are the things that we need to prevent, okay? Let's not pay much attention on that. Now, I want you to always remember, if you know and you trust your pattern, you won't find yourself hesitating to buy. You won't find yourself hesitating to sell. One thing that I would advise you to do, make sure that when you analyze, you start from a higher time frame. The reason for you to start from higher time frames because of you have to know the actual direction of the market. Once you know the market is going up, make sure that you are looking for buy opportunities so that you'll find yourself safe. Remember, we want to avoid this thing of people hesitating when they have to buy. Some of you guys are scared when you have to buy. You don't even buy in time. Sometimes something like this will happen. They will push the market down towards this potential continuation pattern to those who are trading potential continuation pattern. And then you notice that the market did not reach the potential continuation pattern. Because of you don't have much experience in the market, what is it you're going to do? You will expect that the market will go up. Hence, you can see the market pushed up a little bit. Later on, it came back to the potential continuation pattern. You'll start looking for buy opportunities as it is going up. Why? Because of you're scared. You'll be like, the market is moving away without me. The market is moving away without me. You start crying. Whereas the market will come back to the potential continuation pattern where it is safe for you to buy. Remember, I said it is very much important for everyone to know how to trade, to also have a trading plan so that you can trade according to a plan, yeah. So you don't do something that you don't understand. If you fail to have a trading plan, then that's when you're going to have difficulties. Always remember, you must have a trading plan. You're not going to become profitable without a trading plan in the market. Believe me, you when I say so, you won't find yourself profitable in the market without a trading plan. I don't mind which time frame you are using, but always remember this whenever you are analyzing. This one will help you. You start from higher time frame. What are you looking for from higher time frame right now? Let's look at this one. Right now, I see an uptrend here. We go to daily time frame. We we check the structure of the daily time frame. On daily, we don't have much. We move to 12 hours. On 12 hours, we don't have much. We move to 8 hours. On 8 hours, what is it we have? We have a potential continuation pattern there. Oh, we have a potential continuation pattern there. It's very big, but not big. If you are a trader, you are trading potential continuation patterns, you know that there you're going to be looking for opportunities, right? Let's just remove this one. You're going to be looking for opportunities to push the market up. Now, before you do that, look at this one. You notice that here, you have a resistance with 2 touches. Can you see that? 2 touches. Okay, we're not going to pay much attention to the 2 touches. And then we move to smaller time frame. Let's go to 6 hour. On 6 hour time frame, we have a huge potential continuation pattern. It looks like this one. Now, what is it that you have to do? Add few things, but then this now it's a bit far from our topic. Let us not go deeper. But this one will help you understand what is it that you have to do, or how do you have to approach the market. Now you actually know the actual direction of the market. And then what is it you're going to do from there? You open your trade, you place your stop loss accordingly. What do I mean when I say accordingly? You don't have to make your stop loss very tight. Make sure that your stop loss is a bit accurate, or you must also give the market a space to breathe. Always do not place your stop loss very tight. Give the market a space to breathe. Sharp from there, what else do you have to do? Make sure that your lot size is not big. Make sure that your lot size is not high. You go to check your line chart as well. What is it that you have that confirms that, oh, flip, the market's going to turn there? If whatever you are trading, you see it there, therefore, find yourself buying. You also check again. Everything that you need is available. What do I mean by that? You check, okay, fine. If the market is not going to respect my potential continuation pattern, where is the market going to turn? You move with the time frame to check now, what is it that you have that can cause the market to not go according to your direction before you find yourself buying. Now, if you notice that, oh, flip, there's nothing much that I have that can cause the market to change the direction, because I'm expecting the market to be a sell or to be a buy. Therefore, now you are confident enough to find yourself buying. But then if you're not going to do those things, therefore, the higher the chance that you're going to have difficulties. Always remember, a trading plan is everything in the market, guys. Once you fail to have a trading plan, therefore, you still have a long way to go. So I will advise you to get a trading plan. Do not start trading without a trading plan. Now you notice that, oh, flip, the market is still pushing down. You check. I started analyzing on a higher time frame, but I'm not saying much on this one. But I want you to pay attention to everything. You just relax. You don't do much. You observe, okay, fine. I'm expecting the market to be an uptrend. Okay, fine. Yes, I'm expecting the market to be an uptrend. What is it that I have that can push the market down a little bit? I'm on 30 minutes. You notice that here we had a broken resistance. Let me highlight it. A broken resistance. You guys know that once a resistance is broken, it becomes a what, right? Resistance. Support, the market respected the support a little bit. But expect a little bit of, if you know what this is, you know it. Okay, this one is for you guys. All right, I'll be happy if you guys can come up with things that you don't understand so that I can easily help you. Let's say you're out there, you're also trading trend lines. Again, only trend lines in the market. Make sure that if you do not have a trading, if you do not have a trend line, do not find yourself buying. Do not find yourself buying. I'm not sure if you guys get the point. If you are trading trend lines and then you notice that, oh, flip, I do not have a trend line, don't find yourself buying. What are you buying specific? But if you know that, oh, flip, okay, I have a small trend line here on 1 hour and a big on 30 minutes and on 1 hour, you check again, you have a big trend line. Oh, flip, and then what is it I have to do now? You notice that the market did not touch the what? The trend line. You wait for the market to come back, or if you don't wait for the market to come back, you look for another opportunity on the uptrend. The market will come back for you. It's that simple. For an example, this is another reason why so many people are scared. This is the main cause that cause people to be scared to buy and sell. Look at this. My students are aware of this thing. You guys know that what is it we get on the in the beginning of a new trend, right? Here we notice that they left us a supply and demand. Someone will like, oh, flip, I see the market is going up. They jump in here and buy. And then this is where they're going to place their stop losses. If you check this candlestick, this is where the candlestick opened. It pushed all the way down to take the orders on their supply and demand. And then the market continued with an uptrend. This is the main reason why people are now scared to find themselves buying and selling, because of whenever they buy, the market's going to kick them out. Whenever they sell, the market's going to kick them out. Imagine looking at this downtrend and be like, oh, flip, the market is a downtrend. You wait for the market up until here. Isn't it that you are waiting for a confirmation? After waiting for the confirmation, you start selling here, you place your stop loss above. Then the market decided to push all the way back up to hit your stop loss. Then it continues with your direction. Now already we are scared to get in here. Why are you scared? Because of you don't have a proper trading plan and you don't even know what you are doing. So the best thing that you can do to avoid being scared to take trades, make sure that you have a trading plan and then you trade your plan. Once you start trading your plan, there are higher the chance that you're going to be profitable. Now, let me go deeper with the trading plan. If you know that you are trading support and resistance, make sure that you don't find yourself buying here if there's no support or there's no resistance. You're looking for a sell on the resistance. You're looking for the support. You're looking for the buy on the support. Sorry, this is where you're looking for a buy. Now, if you're looking for a buy there, then it happens that the market's going to break the resistance and then it goes up. You know that now you're looking for what? You're looking for a buy. You're going to buy once the market returns to test the break of structure. We are now looking for a buy here. Why are we looking for a buy here? It's because of it's a break of structure. If you don't know much about break of structure and stuff, make sure that you go and check some of the videos I did back in the days. They're going to help you. Now you then notice that, oh, flip, the market broke our support. What is it that you have to do? You wait for the market to come back and test the broken support as a resistance. What is it you're looking for now? A sell. That's it. If you don't have the things I mentioned here, don't find yourself buying. What are you buying? What are you buying? Even if you notice that, oh, flip, this candlestick is very huge. Don't jump in here. Do not jump in here. It's gonna be the death of you. Let's just add something else or make another example. Someone will look at this candlestick, the huge one, and be like, oh, flip, this candlestick is very huge. But then I'll wait for the market to close and then see if we get another huge candlestick, then I'm gonna step in. As soon as you see this candlestick, what is it you're gonna do? You step in, flip, the market is now going up. You don't know that the market's about to change the direction. The market's gonna kick you out. Once the market kick you out, what is it you're gonna do now? You look at what the market is doing. You know, it's, oh, flip, we have a downtrend. That means the market is going down. Now you will start revenging trades. You will start selling here. The reason why you will start selling here is because of you want to bring back the loss you took here. You sell, you place your stop loss above. The market goes down, you become excited, you be like, oh, flip, a new candlestick opens. This candlestick was once a red, and then the candlestick changed the direction here. And then once your stop loss kick you out later on, continue with the direction. And then now, how do you feel? You be like, whatever that I'm doing is wrong. Actually, the whole forex thing is a scam and stuff. Whereas you are doing everything wrong. If you know that you are trading potential continuation pattern, stick to potential continuation pattern. Know all the rules about potential continuation pattern. If you are trading supply and demand, stick to supply and demand. If you are trading head and shoulder, stick to head and shoulders. If you are trading double bottoms, stick to double bottoms. Whatever that you are trading or the strategy that you just learned or you've learned before, stick to it. Do not find yourself trading something that you do not know. That is the best thing that creates fear. This thing creates fear a lot because of now you took two losses simultaneous. Now you are scared to find yourself buying. Even if you notice that, oh, flip, here is my resistance, very fresh and clean. This is where I'm supposed to sell. You will be scared to take a sell here. Why? Because of you've been taking losses from your left hand side. Now you notice, yeah, strong resistance. The market's supposed to respect it, but you won't get in here because of your scared. What is it you're gonna do? You look at the downtrend and be like, oh, flip, supposed to get in the market. It's now a downtrend. Later on, let's say maybe later on you jump in here. The market push all the way down and then your stop loss, it continue with your direction again. Yeah, but no good. There's a lot that you need to avoid. There's a lot that you need to avoid in the market and make sure that whatever that you are trading is your pattern or your strategy. If you open your chart, let's just take another random pair to make an example. Let me take this one. If you open your chart like this, this is 1 hour. Let's go to actually 4 hour. You open your chart like this. You then notice that, oh, flip, here, I do not have a what? A potential continuation pattern. I'm not getting in here. I do not have the support. I don't get in here. I do not have a resistance here. I don't get in. I'll wait for the market to reach the support here so that I can take a decision. Whether I want to buy or I want to sell, it will be my choice. You get the point. But do not make the mistake of looking for opportunities that are not there and looking for opportunities that you don't even know. I'm not sure if whatever I'm saying makes sense, but then what I'm saying to you is have a trading plan, have a proper strategy or pattern that you know that it is working at least 90% accurate. Once you have all your trading plan, then you are good to go. Personally, I prefer to trade on a higher time frame. The only thing that I can share with you that can help you, if you are trading on a higher time frame, you don't have much fear like people who are trading on smaller time frame. You don't have much stress compared to people who are trading on smaller time frame because if you are trading on smaller time frame, there's a lot. There's a lot. I'm not saying it is wrong to trade on smaller time frame. There's nothing wrong, but then if you're let me just say if you're a beginner, make sure that you try to use higher time frame. Do not be scared of taking so much loss. You won't become a good trader if you are not willing to lose in the market. But that's a story for another day. Guys, if it's your first time you come across my video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. If there is also something that you do not understand that I said here, please leave a comment so that I can come back and answer you. Guys, your trading plan is very much important. You open your chart, you notice that, oh, flip, the market is coming down. It's going to be a down. It's still going down. And then as it is going down, you know that I said as the market is pushing all the way down, we use this one as a reference for placing our stop losses, right? Resistance on your left-hand side of which is this one. Support on your right-hand side of which is this one. Yeah, it's a break of structure. No? Fresh support. What are your expectations? The market to respect the support again. 2 touches. That's it. You know that this is where you're supposed to get it. Why are you going to have fear? The fear that you're gonna have it is because of you've been making mistake all along, thinking that here's support, I want to find myself selling. I want to find myself selling. You create opportunities that are not there. When the right opportunity is available for you, you are now scared to buy. because of you've been doing wrong things all the way. What else you're supposed to wait patiently for the market to come back to what? To the support so that you can find yourself buying. We do have so many support here on this uptrend. If you check, here is your resistance, here is your support. Can you see that? Here, breaker structure. I'm on 4-hour time frame. You go to smaller time frame, you notice again resistance. It was broken, it became a support. We are looking for what? A buy opportunity here. A buy opportunity here again. We are pushing the market up. You must not be scared to wait for the right time to find yourself buying. You must not be scared to wait for a few days without buying, without selling, because of whatever that you are trading is not available in the market. But the minute you start creating opportunities, the minute you start creating opportunities that are not there, I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry, my friend. That's the only thing I can say. Always remember, the higher the time frame that you use, the accurate you're gonna be. But only if you have the right strategy or the right pattern. You're not gonna be accurate with your strategy that is not tested, with a pattern that is not tested. I'm not sure if you get the point. If you're out there, you are trading head and shoulders, you're good to go. When you open your chart, you don't see a head and shoulder, what do? You run away and never look back. You'll come back whenever you find a head and shoulder. That's when you're going to buy. That's when you're going to sell. If there's no head and shoulder, no need for you to buy. If there's no head and shoulder, no need for you to sell. What are you selling specific? You're now selling something that you don't know, isn't it? Therefore, how are the results going to be? You taking losses, then you'll be like, oh, the market is manipulating me. The market is wrong here and there, where else you did everything wrong. Do you get the point? So the best thing that you can do to find yourself not hesitating when you have to buy, analyze earlier, prepare for your trades, trade your plan. Therefore, you won't be scared to buy, you won't be scared to sell. But if you're out there, you are the type of a person who just open a chart and decide to sell and decide to buy, then you won't be able to look at almost everything that can cause your trade not to go right. For an example, I feel like the market is going up, right? As I feel like the market is going up, what is it that I have to do? I feel like, isn't it? I'll look for buy opportunities. What am I buying here specifically? This is 4-hour time frame. You look at the candlestick are very huge. What is it that I'm buying if I'm going to buy here? Me, after buying here, the next thing, the market is going down. How? What happened? What went wrong? That's $1 million question. How? What happened? Isn't it that the market was supposed to continue and reach maybe the supply and demand or the resistance above? But the market turned here specifically. Now, if you are out there, you are safe, you don't like to jump in, we are good. You're going to find yourself selling here. If you know what is it you're going to be selling here, let me know in the comment section. Always remember, guys, you don't have to guess in the market. We don't guess. We don't open our chart and be like, oh, flip. Today I feel like the market's gonna go down. Tomorrow I feel like the market's gonna go up. Whatever you are looking for, you're not gonna get it. Just give me a moment. There's something I want to check for you. Yeah. If you look at what is happening right now, the market will push a little bit up. This is nested. The market will push up. How do you know that? We have a potential continuation pattern here. The market is an uptrend right now. If you to go back and analyze and use the same patterns, but I don't want us to do that. But I'm trying to make things easier for you so that whatever you do, you become safe. Let's just use 4-hour. Let's just use 4-hour. You didn't notice, oh, flip, the market's an uptrend, right? And then I said, whenever the market is going up, you rely on the downtrend. If that is confusing you, let me know as well. Sure. What is it we have here? Let me know in the comment section if you know what is it we have here. And you also know the power of this. Therefore, you see the results, and then boom, break a structure. What's going to happen? The market will push up. Not the push-ups that you think of, but the market will go up. Sharp. Again, now the market is coming down. Uptrend. What is it we have that can stop the market from being a downtrend? We have a support here. Draw your horizontal line like this and wait for the market to come back to your support. Boom, the market came back to the support. As it was going up, the supply and demand was left here for us or there for us. And then boom, the market's an uptrend. As it was an uptrend, somewhere on Friday we had news event here. I think it was CPI, if I'm not mistaken. CPI pushed the market up a little bit and then it became a downtrend. You know what is it we do here, right? In the beginning of the new trend, we're looking for buy opportunities. As the market is pushing up, we rely on what? On the downtrend. Simple. But then now I'm adding a few things and I'm trying to show you the importance of using higher time frame and also know whatever you are trading. Let's say, for an example, you are trading supply and demand or potential continuation pattern. What were you gonna do here? You are gonna get your entry here for sell, your exit on the resistance that was broken. You're not gonna buy here. Isn't it that you are not trading support and resistance, but you know whenever you have a support or a resistance how the market's gonna behave. Sharp. Later on, you get a potential continuation pattern again. The market is an uptrend. Someone decide, flip, the market is going up. I'm going to buy here. I'm pushing the market up. I'm killing the market. Later, they got killed. The market pushed all the way down towards the potential continuation pattern. And then, boom. The main reason for the market to turn here, go to smaller time frame, you'll find it there. Now, you notice that the market is a downtrend. Why did the market turn here? Your answer is on your left-hand side. I don't know here why did the market 10 years specific. I did not go and check this one. Sharp, the market's a downtrend. Isn't it that you are looking for opportunities? You are trading potential continuation pattern. You come back for this one. This one was a bit tricky for most people. So many people, I'm not sure if my student managed to get in here. We had a potential continuation pattern of which was this one and this one. But this one is available on a higher time frame. I think on 8 hours. This is where the market turns specific. And this one, let's go and check. Let's go and check if it is visible enough. And then if you're out there, you're still scared of trading time frames like this one, pull up your game. This one. Can you see? But the market actually turned on this one. This is where the market actually turned, but it managed to push all the way up towards this one. You know why? Because of they don't want to be disturbed as they are pushing the market up. Now you go to smaller time frame. You go to smaller time frame. What is it you're looking for? You're looking for your entry here. Isn't it that you are trading potential continuation pattern? Let's move to roughly 6 hours. 6 hours. Oh, I'm sorry, 8 hours. What is it we have here? I'll use this horizontal line. I want you to come back and look at this tomorrow. I want you to come back and check and tell me what happened. Let's add the trend line. Add the trend line doesn't look accurate though. Let's go to 6 hours. Yes, it is not. And they won't respect this one just by looking at it. So guys, it is very much important for everyone to stick to their trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a plan for you to have one. I will share a trading plan. I'm a student. I'll give you the trading plan I did for my student. I think I can share that one with you. I'm not sure if it's gonna help you, but if you feel like it's gonna help you as well, let me know. I'll share with you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, guys, so that you get notifications next time I upload. And if there is something you wish to know, please let me know in the comment section.